Optimize niche selection by integrating structured decision-making frameworks with powerful AI-driven insights. This hybrid approach enhances strategic accuracy by merging human intuition, experience, and creativity with the vast analytical capabilities of artificial intelligence. Start by applying a clear decision framework, such as scoring based on relevance, difficulty, and profit potential. Then enhance it with AI tools that analyze real-time market trends, consumer search behavior, emotional sentiment, and competitor strategies. AI can identify hidden opportunities, forecast emerging demands, and highlight underserved audiences that might be overlooked through manual research alone. By combining these strengths, you create a highly refined process for niche selection that minimizes risk and maximizes growth potential. This precision ensures that your chosen niche aligns with both market momentum and your unique value proposition.
Intuition-based decisions rely on experience, instinct, and pattern recognition, often enabling quick judgments in complex situations. However, they carry the risk of cognitive biases, such as confirmation bias or overconfidence, that can cloud judgment and lead to flawed outcomes. On the other hand, data-driven approaches use structured analysis and empirical evidence to guide decisions, minimizing emotional interference and increasing objectivity. Yet, these methods can sometimes overlook subtle market cues, cultural shifts, or emerging trends that aren't yet fully reflected in the data. The most effective strategy is a hybrid approach that merges human expertise with artificial intelligence's processing power. By combining the depth of human insight with AI's ability to analyze massive datasets, this method enhances decision quality and confidence.
It builds upon opportunity mapping and trend analysis, integrating structured decision-making models that are both adaptive and scalable. This synergy ensures you capture both the measurable and the intuitive, giving you a powerful edge in identifying and pursuing high-potential niches. AI-supported decision models significantly enhance the decision-making process by converting qualitative insights into structured, quantifiable frameworks. One effective method is the weighted criteria model, which assigns numerical weights to key factors such as traffic potential, market competition, customer intent, and monetization likelihood. This ensures that each niche is evaluated objectively based on its overall strategic value. Another powerful tool is decision trees, which use machine learning to map out possible choices and their outcomes, identifying optimal paths while accounting for constraints like budget, audience size, or launch timeline. These trees help visualize complex decisions and clarify trade-offs. Monte Carlo simulations further strengthen this approach by simulating thousands of market scenarios based on historical data and probability distributions. This allows you to assess potential outcomes under various economic conditions and levels of uncertainty, quantifying risk with precision. Combined, these AI-powered models provide a comprehensive, data-driven decision system that reduces guesswork and boosts the confidence and accuracy of your niche selection strategy. Artificial intelligence pattern recognition helps detect early warning signs in your niche, such as traffic plateaus, reduced engagement, or slowing growth. These subtle indicators often appear before a full decline, allowing you to act early. Quantify these signals by comparing current growth rates to past performance benchmarks and calculating metrics like return on investment, ROI, customer retention, or conversion trends. AI tools can process this data in real time, giving you accurate insights into market health. With this information, use a structured decision framework to determine your next move. Double down if momentum is strong, pivot if adjacent opportunities exist, exit if decline is clear, or hybridize by blending with another niche. This strategic approach ensures your decisions align with market dynamics, helping you stay competitive, agile, and focused on sustainable growth. Combining AI analysis with structured decision models empowers you to respond intelligently and avoid costly mistakes in today's fast-moving digital environment. Start by defining clear decision triggers, specific thresholds that indicate when action is required. For example, A sustained 3-month decline in website traffic or a 20% drop in revenue might trigger a strategic review. Build a decision matrix that includes key performance indicators such as traffic growth, conversion rates, engagement metrics, customer acquisition cost, and profitability. Assign weights to each indicator based on strategic importance and set clear thresholds to guide action. Next, implement AI-powered data pipelines that automatically gather, analyze, and visualize this data in real time, enabling faster, evidence-based decisions. These pipelines can surface anomalies, trend reversals, and new opportunities that manual tracking might miss. Lastly, make it a routine to review and refine the system, adjusting weights, triggers, or criteria based on evolving goals or market dynamics. This ensures you remain agile, proactive, and consistently aligned with opportunity. Red ocean and blue ocean strategies both demand a balance between human intuition and structured, data-driven frameworks. While red ocean focuses on competing in crowded markets, blue ocean aims to create uncontested space. In both cases, leveraging artificial intelligence is essential to uncover patterns and insights beyond human capability, such as hidden demand signals, underserved audience segments, or emerging trend clusters. AI can also help establish decision triggers, specific conditions that signal when to pivot, scale, or innovate, and define action thresholds tied to metrics like ROI, traffic growth, or customer acquisition cost. To ensure adaptability, implement continuous improvement cycles for your decision models, allowing them to evolve with market changes. As a practical action step, create your initial decision matrix now. Include at least 5 criteria, such as market demand, competition level, monetization potential, alignment with your skills, and trend velocity. This foundation ensures smarter, faster niche selection aligned with strategic goals in both red and blue ocean landscapes.